This is the scene at the New Market Street entrance of the Joshua Public Hospital Corporation. Behind me is the resource center where the forensic medical examiners are meeting with the relatives of Adriana Young. We are going to tell them what their findings are based on the postmortem that they did. So we don't know exactly what those results are. We were told that at the end of the process, there is going to be a press conference to brief, to let us know what those results are. Standing beside the regional commander for Region 4 is Darren Wade, the attorney for the family.